Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Today our topic is how to read food labels for a healthy diet plan. Reading food labels is an essential skill for maintaining a healthy diet plan. Here are some steps to help you understand and make informed choices when reading food labels. 1. Start with the serving size. Look at the serving size listed on the label. This will help you understand the amount of food the nutrition information refers to. Make sure to compare it to the amount you typically consume. 2. Check the total calories. Find the calorie count per serving. This information tells you how much energy you will get from consuming one serving of the food. Be mindful of your calorie intake and consider your specific dietary needs and goals. 3. Assess macronutrients. Pay attention to the amounts of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. These are the three primary macronutrients that provide energy and support bodily functions. Choose foods that are balanced in these macronutrients based on your dietary needs. 4. Look for saturated and trans fats. Limit your intake of saturated and trans fats, as they can raise your risk of heart disease. Opt for foods with lower amounts of saturated and trans fats and choose healthier fat sources like unsaturated fats, e.g., olive oil, avocados. 5. Check the sodium content. Excessive sodium intake can contribute to high blood pressure and other health issues. Choose foods with lower sodium content, especially if you have hypertension or are trying to reduce your sodium intake. 6. Assess sugar content. Added sugars can be found in many processed foods and beverages. Look for foods with lower sugar content or opt for natural sources of sweetness like fruits. Pay attention to different names for added sugars, such as corn syrup, dextrose, and sucrose, which may be listed in the ingredients. 7. Check the fiber content. Dietary fiber is beneficial for digestion, weight management, and overall health. Aim for foods that are higher in fiber and choose whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. 8. Consider additional nutrients. Look for vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial nutrients listed on the label. These can vary depending on the food. For example, choose foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 9. Review the ingredient list. The ingredient list can provide valuable information about the quality and composition of the food. Ingredients are listed in descending order by weight, with the most abundant ingredient first. Be aware of any artificial additives, preservatives, or high amounts of unhealthy ingredients. 10. Be mindful of claims and marketing terms. Be cautious of misleading marketing claims on food labels. Terms like low-fat, natural, or healthy may not always indicate a nutritious choice. Always review the nutrition facts and ingredients to make an informed decision. Remember, reading food labels is just one aspect of a healthy diet plan. It's also essential to focus on consuming a variety of whole foods, cooking at home whenever possible, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized advice based on your specific dietary needs and goals. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.